Welcome to today's show, where we will discuss some more properties of the wave we know as sound. Our pop diva guest will tell us what she knows about sound.
Sound is energy moving through a medium.
The sound is not the only thing being carried by the medium.
Like my flatus, it takes time for a sound wave to travel through a medium. As the energy STP pass from particle to particle like a string of common entities flowing.
What can this energy pass through?
Any material, be it a solid, a liquid, or a gas.
I think you should stop eating all that cabbage.
The speed of the sound is dependent on a few things. The density of the particles, so with solids being more dense, the sound will travel faster as the energy is passed quickly from particle to particle. As the particles move further apart in liquids and solids, it takes longer for each particle to pass its energy to the next particle, hence it takes longer for the sound to move through the medium. Temperature also affects the density and hence the speed.
Speed is much more complex than I ever thought, and there is much for me to ponder over.
While you do that, I shall dance.
Where you dropped as a child,